everybody, so we have this lovely lady here who has some discolorations on the nails. So a little bit dark here, a little bit patchy here. Now the patchiness is probably caused by a nail, antifungal nail medication that's using that's dehydrating the nail. So what we're going to do today is we are going to draw everything back. So these pigmented lines tend to occur in darker skin population because there's an increase of kind of pigments in the body and it comes out the nails. But obviously if it starts to change in color, it starts to hurt, then do seek your doctor because it can be something quite kind of like serious like cancer of the nail and things like that. So you have to be really, really careful itself. But if you have dark skin and you start to develop lines and it's not changing, then it's most likely due to pigmentation or anything else. So what we do is just drilling this all back. We told the patient to stop using the medication for her nails because it's drying out just a little bit. Well, let's do this one first. So the good thing about the drill is it really makes it really, really easy to remove all the little dry bits and helps us smooth out this nail. So this nail has been damaged a little bit. So we're just going to even that out and deepen. Just a little bit of discoloration there. So we're just filing these nails down just to make it a little bit more straighter. This one here. So these metal grits are really, really good. It really smooths everything out. Makes filing very, very easy. And you can also file the foot with these. That's fine. That one is fine. Antiseptic. What I'm going to do is just round. Just round those a little bit. A little bit of dead skin on the side here. So what we're going to do is just cut that back a little bit. Excellent. Okay, so we have this rehydration coat. So we're just going to put it on the nails because they're a little bit dry. The good thing about this is also has antimicrobial properties on it. So it rehydrates it, but also kills some of the germs that might be on top of the nail. You can use it as a base coat. You can just use it as a coat by itself. So we're going to use it as a coat by itself. I like to use Q-tips. This is to really prevent cross-infection. And I always flip. I never re-dip back into the bottom. I'm just going to do a little bit.